Hi everyone, welcome to Python Developer Series. Today we can solve a Python code challenge here. It is related with data type. We already learned about data type conversions and input-output functions. Okay, we can use that things here. So we can go through the tasks here. Complete the code in the editor below. The variable id and s are already declared and initialized for you. You must, the first section is, declare three variables. One of type int, one of type double and one of type string. We know how to convert variable into required format. So we can use int, float and string here. The second section is, read 3 lines of input from and initialize your 3 variables. So we know input function of Python is input of. We can use that here. Then the third section is, use the plus operator to perform the following operation. First one is, print the sum of I plus your int variable on a new line. We need to perform addition operation. In the second line, we need to perform addition of 2 float variables. In the third case, we need to perform concatenation with 2 strings. So we can solve this issue. Okay, this is the code editor. Here IDS values are already given. So we can read this command line. Declare second integer, double and string variables. Read and save an integer, double and string to your variables. So we know a variable has a variable name and a variable value. So we can first define integer variable. We can use a, which is equal to input of. It will return a string variable. So we can convert this string into integers using int of function. Then we need to define a double variable. Double means float. So we can use float of function to convert a string into float. So we can use output function input of here. In the third line, we need to define a string variable. Input of will return a string itself, so we don't need to convert it into string. Then read the third command line. Print the sum of both integer variables on a new line. So we use print function to print something on the screen. So we need to add first 2 integers. The given integer variable is I and declared integer variable is a. So we can add it here. Read fourth command line. Okay. Fourth command line is, print the sum of double variables on a new line. So we can print the given float variable is d and declared float variable is b. So we can add 2 float variables here and print the results on the screen. In the third line, in the next command line, we need to concatenate the given string with the declared string. So we can write print of the given string is s. So we need to concatenate it with declared string variable. So it is c. Next we can run this We can run and check the results here. Yeah, that is correct. The test case 0 is passed. So we need to check other cases also. Okay. We can submit the code here. Yeah. Test case 0 is success and test case 1 is success. So we completed this code.